In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best gluten-free bread. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 7. Pamela's Products Gluten-Free Bread Mix. In case you're so inclined to make your own gluten-free bread, this mix will make it easy to bake gluten-free, non-dairy, egg-free, and vegan bread at home. Number 6. Eban's Bakehouse Fresh Baked. This bread from Eban's Bakehouse has glowing reviews. They've got the perfect bread texture on lock, and lots of reviewers rave about its flavor and consistency. It comes in a variety of flavors like cinnamon raisin, flaxseed, and seeded. Number 5. Purely Elizabeth Grain-Free Bread. Purely Elizabeth Grain-Free Bread and Muffin Mix is at the top of our list because of its nutrient-dense ingredients and versatility to become a sweet or savory treat. It contains almond flour, arrowroot flour, coconut sugar, flax seeds, chia seeds, leavening, sea salt, and cinnamon, ingredients you can feel great about mixing up. Flax seeds and chia seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health, and cinnamon contributes an anti-inflammatory boost. Point 2. Use this as a base for zucchini or banana bread, and simply add in nuts, chocolate, or whatever mix-ins are in your pantry. Number 4. Gluten-free Sandwich Bread Mix. Making your own sandwich bread can be intimidating, time-consuming, and expensive, but this mix makes it easy. Additionally, sandwich breads off the shelf can have additives that don't support optimal health, like modified cornstarch and sucrose. Take things into your own hands and bake a quick loaf of homemade bread with this wholesome baking mix that contains only 7 ingredients. The base of this mix is cassava flour, which comes from the cassava root, a vegetable similar to potato in texture and nutrient profile. Number 3. Simple Mills Almond Flour. Simple Mills offers nutrient-packed gluten-free products. Ingredients in their delicious pumpkin bread mix include almond flour, coconut sugar, pumpkin, arrowroot, spices, coconut flour, baking soda, and sea salt. This tasty mix has no additives, only simple ingredients you would find in your pantry. With only 7 grams of sugar per serving, this is a sweet treat you can serve up for a breakfast muffin, afternoon snack, or dessert. The pumpkin and spices offer a great flavor profile for a fall or winter muffin or loaf of bread. Mix in some walnuts or pumpkin seeds for added texture and a boost of omega-3s and healthy fats. Number 2. Good Dees Multi-Purpose. Good Dees Multi-Purpose Bread Mix offers 7 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber per serving, a combination that will leave you feeling satisfied for a longer period of time. It's made with almond flour as the base and also includes tapioca fiber, egg white powder, psyllium husk, baking soda, yeast, and salt. These nutrition-packed ingredients have a variety of health benefits, particularly psyllium husk, a bulk-forming fiber, and prebiotic that supports gut health. Number 1. King Arthur Flour Bread Mix. Many gluten-free flours contain nuts like almonds, but if you want a nut-free alternative, this is your pick. King Arthur Gluten-free Bread Mix is made with rice flour, tapioca starch, and potato starch. This mix is also fortified with B vitamins, riboflavin, thiamine, and niacinamide, as well as iron. Fortification is the process of adding micronutrients to food at the processing level. This is often done to ensure that people meet their daily needs for essential vitamins and minerals that may be otherwise lacking in their diets.